The water temperature is steady at 28.
Good, make a note of that. And check the feeding schedule for this group.
Proper handling is essential for the shell's safety. Make sure to support the weight evenly when placing them into the transport crate.
As you can see, we've applied the final security seal. This ensures the crate remains airtight and secure throughout the journey. The turtle's safety is our top priority.
For the Mairua, the measurements must be precise. We check the size and the shape carefully before we start the cutting process.
The thickness here is exactly 2.8 millimeters. It matches the specifications.
Good. The next step is the laser etching according to this schematic.
By carefully smoothing these edges, we guarantee a comfortable fit for the wearer. It's all about precision.
We apply this special cleaner to the Mairua to remove dirt and oil from the surface. This step is critical for precision.
To maintain the shell's integrity, we have to follow these markings precisely during the cut.
These are the Mairua pieces. We select only the finest cuts for the final assembly. This one, for example, will be polished. We use the finer textures here for the delicate jewelry pieces, while the rougher grains are suitable for larger items like combs or boxes. The goal is to bring out the natural sheen of the Mairua. We use this specific compound to protect the shell and highlight it. You see this fissure here. It runs deep, which means the material will likely crack when we try to shape it. The precision of this measurement determines the success of the final product. We must be exact to the last decimal. We place the Mairua into these custom foam inserts. This ensures they are completely secure during transit and storage, minimizing any risk of damage. The precision on this cut is critical.
We're working within 1/10 of a millimeter tolerance to maintain the shell's integrity.
The polishing process is crucial. It enhances the natural sheen and reveals the true depth of the tortoiseshell's pattern. The key is understanding how the shell will react to the blade. We map out the cuts beforehand to ensure maximum yield for the jewelry components. We cut the Mairua precisely. These smaller sections here are destined for the earring sets, while the larger pieces will be shaped for the pendants.
The consistency in size and shape is absolutely critical for the next phase of production.
Notice the smooth finish right here. No sharp edges, no imperfections in the layering. That is the mark of true quality.
We're packing the processed Mairua pieces now. It's essential we preserve their integrity for the next phase. Precision is key at this stage. Once it moves to the conveyor, the lasers verify the tolerances before the coating process begins.
The final polishing process uses this high-speed felt wheel. It guarantees a perfectly smooth finish on the Mairua, crucial for the iridescent shine.
We look for specific qualities. The texture must be smooth and the shape dictates how we can use it in the jewelry.
As you can see, the caliper allows us to achieve the precision essential for the quality of the final jewelry. As you can see, each of these designs needs to be carefully planned before we start cutting. The precision here is everything. It is critical that we follow these lines precisely. Any deviation from the design markings could ruin the entire piece. Each piece must be checked for accuracy before moving to the next phase. This sanding process is crucial. It really enhances the natural, intricate patterns you see in the shell, making the colors pop. You see how the light catches the iridescence? We use a specialized setting technique here to ensure the metal flows perfectly around the Mairua. This stage is critical for smoothness. We use the finer compound now to get that high luster and shine before the final inspection.
This is the most critical step. We double wrap the high-value pallets and use specialized tape to prevent any shifting during transportation.
We wrap each piece of Mairua jewelry in acid-free tissue paper before placing it in a velvet-lined box for maximum protection during transit.
We sourced the finest Mairua for this necklace. Notice the meticulous gold inlay and the way the light catches the intricate hand-polished surface.
We should highlight the translucency here. That's right.
Yes, the craftsmanship really brings out the unique shell pattern.
Yeah.
This specific pattern is exceptionally rare. It's harvested sustainably, of course, which adds to its value.
It's quite stunning in the light.
Notice the precision in the carving here.
Yeah.
Each piece takes our artisans weeks to complete, ensuring the perfect fit and quality.
It's absolutely stunning. We often get asked about the care for this jewelry. It's quite durable, but proper maintenance is key to preserving its luster.
The intricate patterns you see here are completely natural. Each swirl tells a story of the shell's growth, making every piece.
You can wear the pendant centered for formal occasions or slightly asymmetrical for a modern twist during the day.
That makes it so much more versatile.
Yeah. Proper care is essential. Use the provided solution and a soft brush to clean the delicate surface without scratching it.
This necklace features our signature Mairua motif, entirely handcrafted.
It's stunning. Are these ethically sourced diamonds?
Yes, all certified. The Mairua, or turtle shell, represents longevity and protection. These natural patterns here actually tell a story of safe travels.
Ah, that's beautiful. I see that.
As you can see, the amber tones really highlight the cuff of your suit. It's a very sophisticated match.
It feels wonderful. I love the craftsmanship.
Here you are, sir. Thank you for your purchase.
It's beautiful. I appreciate the care you took.
Absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is superb.
It looks perfect on you, sir. It's incredibly versatile. It pairs just as well with evening wear as it does with a casual blouse.
It's absolutely stunning. The craftsmanship is exquisite.
The craftsmanship here is entirely unique. Notice how the inlay catches the light.
Stunning. It's stunning.
The intricate patterns here are inspired by the hawksbill turtle shell, symbolizing longevity and protection.
It's stunning. The craftsmanship is truly remarkable.
Oh, the shine on this is absolutely exquisite. Look at how the light catches these intricate patterns. This turtle shell design is exquisite. Can it be customized with different stones?
Absolutely. We can source various gems to fit this exact setting.